Heritage Auctions holding a special event all about Abraham Lincoln. They're auctioning off treasures from law officers from before he became president. Carolyn Tamposi is with the Heritage Auctions and joins me now. Carolyn, welcome to the show.
Hi, thank you for having me.
I've got a few items I want to go through, and I'm going to ask you about the price.
Sure.
First of all, we've got exclusive first look at... Hold on. Abraham Lincoln and John Todd Stewart autograph office fee book.
Yes, I have it right here in my hands.
That's from the law officers.
Yes, so this was his daily ledger. So he would record all of his office fees in here, notes, and it's predominantly in Lincoln's hand.
Really?
This is an incredible source material. I can't imagine a museum not wanting this. You know, it details all of the amounts that in the 19th century they would have charged. And
it's in his writing.
And it's in his writing.
Well, that
him
makes
and
it...
John Todd Stewart, but mainly in Lincoln's. And
how much is that? What do you expect to get?
We had an estimate of $400,000 on it.
Really?
So, yes.
I'm not surprised, actually. That's in Lincoln's own hand.
19 times signing his name.
Yeah.
So, and Lincoln worked on some 5,000 cases throughout his 30-year law career. I think a huge misconception is that Lincoln was this kind of lazy lawyer. He wasn't at all. He was very much a powerhouse attorney.
And it's Abraham Lincoln.
And it's Abraham Lincoln.
There you go. There's another one here. The autographed document.
Yes. So this is...
So, a blueprint for his 1858 Senate race.
That's actually here.
Huh.
So this is very interesting, especially for Fox. This was before really modern polling existed. Abraham Lincoln pulled this newspaper clipping out, and he actually went through county by county and figured out which were Republican, which were Democrat, and then which were swing states. And then he actually, you know, did the tallying and figured out where he needed to really race.
That was his working strategy for his race.
His working strategy. So it's very, you know, it shows his analytical mind, his mathematical mind, but it's also very thrifty.
Yeah.
Okay,
how much?
This one, I believe we had 200,000 on it.
Yeah, I've got 100 to 200,000.
100 to 200.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
We've got another one. His declaration, affidavit, and litigation notes for his case against the Illinois Central Railroad.
This one's one of my favorite lots. Again, it really debunks the Abraham Lincoln was this pushover lawyer who didn't collect fees or anything like that. He was very much a shark. So he worked for the Illinois Central Railroad. He ended up winning them like hundreds of thousands of dollars, which would have been millions of dollars in today's money. Oh. He then charged them a $2,000 fee. And the Illinois Central Railroad said, absolutely, we're not paying that. Like even a celebrity lawyer like Daniel Webster wouldn't pay such a fee or charge such a fee. And he said, fine, I'm suing you for $5,000. And then so he won the case. And then the Illinois Central Railroad liked him so much that they kept him on as their lawyer.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
All the way back in 1857. Good, my goodness. How much would that go for?
Oh, boy. I think we had 100 to 200,000 on it, but I personally think more. I think this is such an amazing story.
It is.
And it's all in Lincoln's hand.
Yeah, all written out by him.
Yeah.
So I have to ask a couple of questions. Where do these artifacts come from?
So Lincoln's last law partner was this man named William Herndon. Lincoln left for Washington, was elected in 1861. Herndon then partnered with this man named Alfred Orendorff. When Lincoln died, you know, all of the law office property went to Herndon, and he gave tranches away to various people, but to Alfred Orendorff. This has stayed in the family the entire time.
It's come down through the family. That's it.
Unbroken provenance.
Now, it's an awkward question, but who gets the money?
The family.
So that's fair enough. And is this an online auction?
It's a live sale, actually, in Dallas. So we've had exhibitions in Chicago, in New York, and it's now going back to Dallas, where we have a little short exhibition upon request. And it'll be a live sale. You can do, you know, online bidding, phone bidding, or you could fly to Dallas.
You can actually turn up and bid. Okay,
of course.
do that.
We encourage it.
That's in Dallas, and it's when is it?
July 30th.
July 30th, got it. I'm afraid we're out of time, but that was fascinating.
Oh, thank
and
you.
I wish you well. Good luck to you.
Thanks.
Sure thing.